I just got fired from my job.
What do you do?
I wrote laundry.
How can you be fried?
I lost very important pair of best clothes.
Oh, I hope get new job soon.
Yes, thank you.